guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my makeup room. I'm Ankita. I make videos about beauty and style. So if you're interested in those sort of things, then please kindly take a second to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell button just beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So in today's video, okay, it is a super random video because I don't really plan to do this video, but I just thought, yeah, let's just share these things with you. So I've purchased a lot of products in the past few months, like a lot of makeup products and as well as a lot of skincare products. So in today's video I'm just going to show you the makeup products, and as it is a super random video, I don't really have any information, any box, any the outer packaging or the money receipt, anything with me. So I'm just gonna tell you thoroughly because I have my phone here with me. I'm just gonna check my order history and gonna tell you every sort of details. Okay, just opening my banks. But anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. Because guys, you know me, no matter how much I try not to buy product, I ended up buying a lot of products. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, I want to talk about a product that I bought the last, like after that I don't really buy any product, but I want to talk about because I don't know why. So I bought 5 glitters, okay, from TS Cosmetics. Yeah, it's the TS Cosmetics pressed glitters. So each of the glitters priced for 210 rupees or something like that. So I really fell in love with glitters these days, so I bought 5. So let me show you. Okay, these glitters are bomb, like seriously, these glitters are bomb. So it's their outer packaging, it's a black cardboard packaging, all the details you can get in every side. So it's the packaging, it's the real packaging. It's a very transparent small plastic jar, I will say, and the packaging is not very steady and not very flimsy. It's okay packaging. I don't really feel for the packaging so much, but I feel for the product absolutely. So it's in this shade Magic, and it's so hell beautiful. So yeah, that's how this glitter looks. Shades, so it's a shade called Magic. It's a very iridescent kind of color with a lot of little bit silver, little bit green reflex in there, and it's the shade called Peach Fizz. It's a very champagne bronze kind of color, very versatile, very universally flattering, and you can really carry this color with a lot of outfit. Next I have this shade Sea Pearl. It's a very beautiful aqua blue kind of color. It's a very gorgeous. Like, I am excited to try these glitters, but I really don't get any occasion or any scope to try this. And for the past 1 month I don't really make a single video because of my exams and a lot of other things. These days were super hectic and super clumsy as well. I don't know why, but I got depressed sometimes so bad that I don't want to do anything. That's why I don't really been here. But yeah, so the other 2 shades is Pineapple. It's a very yellowish green kind of color. Again, very beautiful color, and it's a color called Gold. It's a very bright, like attention seeking gold color. It's so beautiful. So these are the all 5 colors. I will put the link of these products in the description box, and I will also mention the price of each of the glitters. Next I got this pouch from Sugar Cosmetics. So I bought 3 products and I got this pouch for free. So it's a really very good quality pouch, very handy makeup pouch. It's very useful. So the product I purchased is first of all this concealer. It's in the shade 40 Brief. Now it's a little too orangey for me, but I don't really get any other shade because all of the shades were out of stock. So I intentionally go with a lot more darker tones Then lighter tones, because I have a lot of lighter tone concealer as well. So this is the first one. I've tried this one. It blends very beautifully. It's super long lasting, kind of, you know, medium to buildable coverage. It can give you high coverage, but you have to build it up. Oh, and the packaging becomes very dirty within very short time. And the next thing that I purchased is the, you know, Blink Leader Illuminating Moisturizer. It's in the shade Gold Diggin'. So it's the liquid illuminator, kind of dupe of MAC, you know, MAC Stroke Cream. So it looks like this, but contains a lot of golden flecks in there. But it's not super chunky or super shimmery. You can't really detect the gold particles, but when it gets absorbed into your skin, it looks very glowy. Like, see the portion of my hand, you can see the difference. It's super beautiful. I've tried it on my D and she just loved it, and her skin was looking bomb on that day. I will insert a picture of her. Like, it's super beautiful. I definitely love this, and it cost, I think, 499 rupees if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it cost 499 rupees, and this one cost, I think, 799 rupees. The last product from Sugar is this one, is the Contour de Force palette. It's in the shade Subtle Summit. I always want one such palette which contains, you know, one bronzer, one highlighter, and then one blush, because it's so much helpful. Like, I used to have a lot of, you know, large blush palette that is a little difficult to carry, so I always want such palettes which is very easy to carry, very easy to travel with. That's why I went for this, and I've heard such good reviews about this palette. That's why I, you know, go for this super confidently. And OMG guys, it's super beautiful palette. Like, the contour shade is a bomb. It's a nice mixture of cool tone and warm tone, which is perfect, like the perfect, and it's very well pigmented as well. Let's talk about the highlighter. I have, you know, 50-50 thoughts over the highlighter. It looks a little chalky, little powdery, but you know, you can work with this. And the blush is super beautiful. Like, OMG, I love the blush so much of this palette. It's very beautiful, and that's what I have on my face: their highlighter, their blush, and their bronzer as well. It's a very multi-purpose palette. You can use it, you know, for your eyeshadow. If you can afford this, just go for it, because it's a little pricey. I think it cost 599 rupees. I will put again every details in the description box, so make sure to check the description box. Okay, next up, I've purchased a little bit of product from Nykaa. So let's go with this one. So the first product that I got is this Rimmel London Scandalized Waterproof Kohl Kajal Liner. I purchased this because I am over with the, you know, I Love You Too Kajal. That's why I went for this, because I have this Scandalized Kajal in the shade brown, and OMG, it's super duper perfect. It's extremely smudge proof, extremely waterproof, and extremely long wearing. I never really, you know, see a beautiful pencil like this, and it cost 376. The original price of this is 470 rupees, and with this I've got, you know, a free lip liner. And this is the lip liner that I got with this kajal. So, you know, let me give you a swatch of this kajal. As you can see, it's super black. So it's the lip liner that I got with the kajal. I don't really have any complaint with this, because, you know, it's a free product and I don't expect it to be there. So yeah, it's okay. So the next product I have with me is the Maybelline New York, you know, Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. Now this baby cost me 434, whereas the normal price of this product is 620 rupees. And it's a perfect match for me. And this concealer is super easily blendable, so nice, have a really, you know, high coverage, and super long lasting. It doesn't really crease much under the eyes. Love it. Another product that is bomb. The next product that I have with me is the Shimmer Brick, and it's by Swiss Beauty. It's the brick highlighter, and it's in the shade something, you know, 02. Okay, so it's in the shade 02. So it got a lot of peachy tones, because I love peachy tones as a highlighter. And it's a pink tone, and this white also has a lot of pink reflex. So if you have a really, you know, very fair skin, these two highlighter can suit you. I love to use all these shades as a highlighter. Now it works beautifully as a blush topper as well. I love to use it. It's a little too powdery, little too chalky, but you can work with it, and it costs 332 rupees, whereas the original price of this product is 349 rupees. So you know, it's a good I will say good product, yeah, good budget product. Let me give you a swatch. You know, it's very blingy bangy. I love it. The next product that I have with me is this one. It's the Nicka K makeup palette. It's in the shade Ocean Eyes. So this palette got a lot of blue. It's a blue toned palette, and I definitely love this. And I particularly bought this particular palette because I just realized that I used to play so much with blues, with greens, but now I just want to play safe. Maybe just because of the channel. It's a sad truth about me. Like, I used to play with colors so much, so freaking much, but ever since I started my channel, I stopped playing with colors, stopped being bold. I just want to be, you know, the perfect, that everyday, the neutral kind of eyeshadows that you can actually wear. But I want to play, so I bought this eyeshadow, and these shadows are really pigmented, really good palette. And the last product that I have from Nykaa is the Lakme Cushion Matte Lipstick. I really want to try this lipstick out, and it's so beautiful. I think it's a hit. Like, every product that I bought from Nykaa was a hit, and I totally love it. And it was in the shade Red Wine, and this particular lipstick cost me 248 rupees, whereas the original price of this lipstick is 275 rupees. And this is how it looks. It's a very deep burgundy wine sort of a color. Just love this color. This lipstick is so long lasting, so comfortable on the lips, and as well as transfer proof. Although it really takes a long time to become transfer proof, but yeah, it's a bullet lipstick. You can't really expect more in 248 rupees from a bullet lipstick, you know. And yes, that's conclude the Nykaa haul. Okay, let's talk about a little about MyGlam. So I went through their website when there was a sale going on. Like, you can just literally get a lipstick for free with 99 rupees delivery charges. So back then all went crazy, I know, and a lot of you guys, you know, just purchased this baby. So I also want to get a color, but I don't really think much before, you know, buying the lipstick. So I just picked one random color, and it comes like this. I don't like the color at all, and it goes super patchy. So that's why I first doubted their formula, or you know, it could be a fake product because they just gave it for free. So I called out my sister, who also picked two colors, and I've tried her lipstick, and then I realized that it's just this particular color which is a little off. First of all, it goes very patchy, and second, it's not that pigmented. You have to, you know, layer it up, and when you try to layer it up, it goes patchy. Like, this is such a crazy color, and it's super neon. Like, you need guts, bro, to carry this particular color. It's so neon. It's in the shade 02 Love Bomb. Don't go for this color, don't. But after that incident, I again went to their website to buy this baby. It's the Pose HD Bronzer Duo. It has two shades, Cinnamon and Terracotta. Two different shades. One is for bronzing, one is for contouring. And OMG, it's so beautiful, and the packaging of this product is really amazing. I always love MyGlam packaging. They care about their product so much, and this baby cost 699 rupees, but I got a whole lipstick free again, which cost 599 rupees, and I just got this particular lipstick for zero price, you know. And this is so beautiful. Like, it just becomes my favorite lipstick. This becomes my current favorite lipstick. So it's in the shade Manhattan. I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's their, you know, MyGlam. It's from the Lit collection, and it's their creamy matte lipstick. Definitely love this. Love to use this on a regular basis. Now it's time to switch from MyGlam to Amazon. So I've purchased a few products from Amazon as well. So the first product that I've got is this brush. It's the DU Care Kabuki flat top brush. So it's for applying, or you can say buffing, the foundation. Now I always want to have some brush to apply foundation because I don't have any brush for applying the liquid products, so I want one. So I went for this. I've tried this brush a few times and then I got used to with it. Now the foundation that I have applied today, I've used this brush to apply the whole face. It does a pretty good job, I will say. Not super like, you know, blown out thing, but yeah, it works. The next product that I purchased is a blush. It's the LA Colors Rad Rouge blush. It's in the shade Psych and it's a very beautiful deep tone color. Now it's, you can say, you know, deep bronzy color with a lot of gold flecks in there. It works beautifully as a bronzer. Love this formula, love this. The packaging is a little though. I'm not a very big fond of the packaging. All that comes with its little mirror and also its own brush. The brush is not super useful as always. And this baby cost me 231 rupees. So yeah, that's that. The next product that I've got is a setting spray. Now setting spray is something that I just, you know, finished like this. I purchased one setting spray and then I just finished it off real quick. So I go with this setting spray this time. It's the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer. It's a 100 ml bottle and I got this for 421 rupees. Now the fact is that I'm not sure how it works, how it performs. I've tried it several times but I am not clear about it. The only thing I don't like is this, it's, you know, spray thing. The spray distributes the product very unevenly and it just hits the face like just, you know, a blotch of water, and it can create mark if you don't really, you know, go real quick to dab it with a sponge. So I'm not sure about the product, if I'm gonna like it or not, and I think it's the only product I regret buying. Like I regret a little, but yeah, I regret it because of the spray thing, definitely. Now the next product that I have, I think it's another setting spray. Yeah, it's a Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. Now it's a really steal deal and it's a really good one. Now it cost 224 rupees. It works in a very similar way how the Miss Claire one performs. I'm very surprised at that fact, but yeah, it works fabulous. The spritz is very even and it distributes the product very smoothly, very evenly. Love this one. I have one product left from the Amazon haul and it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It's in the shade Golden Base. It's my particular shade and it's an exact match of my skin tone. Whew. Now it cost 437 rupees. I've tried it once or twice or maybe thrice. The only thing that I noticed, it's very dry and very matte formula. Like the first time I've tried this, it just, you know, clings onto my dry patches on the some of the areas, like on top of my nose and, you know, under this area. So yeah, if you have really dry skin, just put a lots of moisturizer to your face before applying this foundation. And it's a very good foundation for the summertime and for oily skin people because it's really a matte foundation and you don't really need to set it with powder. It's that matte. And I'm not sure about the photo focus thing because I've seen, you know, a little bit of flashback. Yeah, I notice it. I don't know if nobody noticed it or not, but yeah, I noticed it and it have a little weird smell. I don't know, but the smell is a little weird. I don't really have a problem with the smell and it comes with a spatula like things like this. And yeah, it's pretty long lasting, I will say this, because I've used it once. I will insert a picture of the day when I use this. It's beautiful one. And yeah, that concludes the Amazon haul. And now let's switch to the last haul, and that is the Purple haul. So the first product that I bought from Purple is this one, the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Intense Gel Kajal Smudge Proof Waterproof Intense Color. Now I completely agree with the intense color payoff, but I just can't really agree with the smudge proof thing because it's very smudgeable, and as I've told you before, I have really watery eyes. Okay, so this baby cost me 467 rupees, and it contains 1.2 gram of product, which is a standard amount for a wooden pencil. So you have to sharpen it up, but Faces really does a great job with their wooden pencil. So they give you a free sharpener to sharpen the pencil up. Yeah, it's waterproof, it's intense. Let me show you the color payoff. And it's very creamy, very smooth, like it's ultra creamy and ultra smooth, but it's just that it's not super smudge proof, and that's why I went with the Scandalise one, because I bought this one first, and then when I see that it doesn't really work for me as a smudge proof kajal, I went with the Scandalise one, and the Scandalise one did work out for me. So if you have really watery eyes, I will say don't go for this if you want a really smudge proof pencil, but if you want a very smudgy, smoky eye, you can definitely go with this one. So now the next product that I got are two blush-ons. So it's their Stay Quirky Cheeky Girl blush. I've picked up two shades. One is this Apricot Babe, it's in the shade 02, and this one is called Rose Starlet, it's in the shade 04. These two are supremely beautiful blush. Like, this one is my favorite. The Rose Starlet one is my favorite. It's really got a very rosy hue over the cheeks, and it looks so natural, so naturally flushed, so healthy on me. I really love this. And also this, okay, so this one cost me 204 rupees, and this one cost me 193 rupees, and I picked up all the purple products when there was iHeart Beauty sale going on in the month of, I will say, January. Yeah, in the month of January or probably February, I can't really remember, but on the time when the iHeart Beauty sale was going on, I picked up all the products. And then I went with two foundations. So it's the Maybelline Fit Me one and it's the Maybelline Superstay one. I purchased both of the products. Now I purchased this because I am over with the older bottle that I had, and I just threw it away. So that's why I want a nice backup of this. That's why I picked up, but I picked up a shade lighter and it turns a little bit more orangier. I don't know what the heck is happening, but yeah, it just goes like this. So yeah, it's in the shade 228. So if you have a very orange undertone, then you can just pick this shade up. And this one is the Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. I went with this one. Well, this one cost 412 rupees and this one cost 503 rupees, whereas the original price of this one is 750 rupees and original price of this one is 549 rupees. I got a really fair discount, and this one is so high coverage first of all, and the formula is thick. Okay, it's straight up thick. It's not lightweight. Don't expect it to be lightweight. So if you want a lightweight formula, don't go with this one. It's so heavy. It got a really nice full coverage. It just covers up everything. Okay. And it's so matte, like it gives you a powdery matte finish. You don't even feel the need to apply powder after applying this one. It's so good and it's super long lasting as well. So yeah, if you are from the dry skin family, then just put nice layer of moisturizer before applying this foundation out. I've applied this once or twice and I'm happy with the results. So yeah, that's that. Next, I purchased this one. Is the Purple Convert Operation Guardian Concealer Palette. So it's the concealer palette and it's for dusky skin, whereas I am whitish skin, but I got this and I really love it. Here is one very bright yellow, under eye kind of color, and then you got this orange corrector and the other 4 shades. It's so perfect, and this is actually a good quality product. I don't expect it to be that much good, but it turns out really good product. Like, I have tried it a lot of time on my mom, and even I tried it on my dad, and this product turns out so good even on my dad's skin. Like, he has super rough skin, but this one turned out really well. Like, it's a game changer, like, trust me. and it cost 467 or 488 rupees. I can't really remember the price. I will put that in the description box for you. And then I picked up one stick contouring product, so I went with this one. It's the Stay Walkie. It's that concealer, okay, you know, Hide My Hickey concealer, I think. Yeah, and it's in the shade From That Proposal 14. I just went with the darker shade so that, you know, I can, you know, work with it as a contour. First of all, the packaging is super flimsy. The price was really cheap. I think I bought this for 126 rupees, which is, you know, very cheap. But the packaging is super flimsy and it's very inconvenient. Like, you can't really put the whole things inside, so it just, you know, popped up like this, so you get a higher chance to break it down while applying it against your face. I really think so. I never tried it out, but I want to try it out very soon. The last product that I have, the video is gonna be hell long, I can guess. But the last product that I've got is two lip pencil. I want two lip pencil for mine, so I picked up this one. It's the Bella Voste 24/7 lip liner. It's in the shade Victorian Rose, and it cost 87 rupees, and it's a very beautiful lip liner. Like, first of all, the color is beautiful. Second of all, the quality is beautiful. Like, again, I don't expect that much from this lip pencil, but it works as a bomb. And next up, I picked up for 121 rupees, and it's the iconic, most popular lip liner from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Chestnut, and it cost 121 rupees. I think I've told the price just now. So yeah, it's this color. It's a very beautiful mocha brown kind of a color. Just love this color, and you get a super long ass pencil, although it also contains, I think, you know, 1.4 gram of product. It's just that the product, you know, the pencil is super thin, that's why it's super long. So yeah, that concludes today's video. I know this video is a little long, but you know guys, I have to show you a lot of products that I have shown to you. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know your thoughts, your own opinions in the comments below. And also, you know, if you have any sort of suggestion, just leave it in the comments. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful videos. I will see you in my next videos. Then stay beautiful and keep spreading a love.